Hello students, it's me, Miss Sana. Welcome back to Math lesson, Math grade 5. I'm going to explain chapter 2. So the first subject is about estimate, sum, and difference. Estimate that means when you add or subtract number, we don't need exact answer, we find the near answer. So from estimation, we will use rounding to find the estimation. So from there we have two examples. The example one is about addition, the example two is about subtraction. Let's solve together. From example one, estimate the sum by rounding. So we will round for the first digit. First digit at left. We have this number 750,040 plus 163,603. So we will round for the first digit at left, and we will look at next digit at right. If the next digit was 1, 2, 3, 4, that means it's rounded down. We can increase any number over the first digit. But was 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we can increase 1 over the first digits we have. So from there, the next digit, the first is 7 and the next digit is 1. So it's rounding down. We can increase any number over this 7. So we write 7 again. And the last digit, we will make 0. And from there, we have 1 from the first digit at left. And the next digit is 6. So it's more than 5. We said that if the next digit was 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that means it's rounding up. We can increase 1 over this one. This one will be 2, and this last digits we have will be 0. After that, we look at the sign. It's plus. We put again and we add them. 0 plus 0, it is 0. 0 plus 0, it is 0. 0 plus 0, it is 0. And there it's also 0. 7 plus 2, it's 9. And from example 2, it's about subtraction. Please, students, before we start, it is minus. Type mistake, remove this, make it minus. So from example 2, we have 163,603 minus 8,595. So from subtraction, if from under we have a 4-digit or 5-digit, also from up we round for the same place. So from there we have it's 8 in thousands place. So from up we'll round to the thousands place. So this digits we have before 3 it's thousands place. So this digits we have before this 3 we write again, we don't change anything of them. After that we round for this 3. And we look at the next digit, it's 6, so it's next digit at this 3. And this 6, it is more than 5, you can increase 1 over this 3. 3 will be 4, and this last digit we have after 3 will be 0. And from there we'll round for this 8, and we look at the next digit, it's 5, so 5 is more than 9. Sorry, more than 5, it's 5. So we said that 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, it's rounding up. You can increase 1 over this. 8, this it will be 9, and this last digit after we make 0. After that, we will subtract them. 0, 0, it is 0. 0 minus 0, it's also 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 9, it's not enough. We can break apart. We take 1 from this 6. This 6 will be 5, and this 4 will be 14 because we take it 1/10. And 14 minus 9, it's 5. And we have 15, we bring down. Practice page 90, it's about estimate, sum, and difference. We will solve 2 till 5. From number 2, we have 435,496 minus 241,131. So we round for first digit. We look at next digit, it is 3. So 3 is less than 5. We said that if the number was 1, 2, 3, 4, that means it's rounding down. You can increase any number over this 4. So we write this 4 same, and this digits we have after 4 we will write 0. We make 0, and from there the first digit is 2 and the next digit is 4. We can put this line under this 4. So we know that it's also less than 5. You can increase any number over this 2. This 2 will be, we write same 2, and this digits we have after this 2 we make 0, and we have sign minus. We write again, and this is 0 minus 0. They are 0. It's 0, and 4 minus 2 it's 2. And from number 3 we have 845,008 plus 124,895. So also we round for the first digit. The first digit is not 8. we look at next digit. This 4 at 11. So at right, sorry. This 4 it's less than 5, so we can increase any number over this 8. This 8 we write same 8, and this last digit after 8 will be 0. We have 5 digits, we will write 5 zeros. And from there also around for the first digit it's 1, and the second digit it's 2. So 2 it's less than 5, we can increase any number over this one. This one also write 1, and the last digit will make 0. After that the sign it's plus, we write again plus, and we add them. They are 0, 0 plus 0, it's 0, and 8 plus 1, it's 9. And from number 4, we have 752,401 minus 491,922. Also, you write for the first digit. And the first digit is 7. We look at the next digit, it's 5, so we can increase any, so 5, we said at 5, 7, 8, 9, it's rounding up, we can increase 1 over the 7. This 7 will be 8, and this last digit will be 0. So we have 5 digits from there, we will write 5, 0. And from there, the first digit is 4. And the next digit, it's 9. 9 is more than 5, we can increase 1 over this 4. This 4 will be 5, and the last digit we have will be 0. And we have minus, we will write again. And 0 minus this 0, it's 0. 8 minus 5, it's 3. From number 5, we have 4,801,421 minus 1,632,970. So also we round for the first digit. We look at this next digit. It's 8. So it's 8 more than 5. We can increase 1 over this 4. 4 will be 5, and the last digit will be 0. And from there, the first digit is 1, and the next digit is 6. Because also it's more than 5. We can increase 1 over this 1. This 1 will be 2, and the last digit will be 0. And we have minus. We write again. After that, 0 minus 0, it is 0. 0 minus 0, it is 0. They are 0. So the result is also 0. 5 minus 2, it's 3. Students, be with me, please. We will study lesson 2, adding and subtracting numbers. So when you add or subtract big number, we must be write in line. So in line up, that means when you have these numbers, for example, we will write the first number at up and the second number at down, like this. 1 is under 1 is, and 10 is under 10 is, 1,000, 100 under 1,000, sorry, 100 under 100, and 1,000 under 1,000. So we will start at right to add them. If you have break a regroup, we do that. So we have this number 2,385 plus 1,098. The first time we'll write this number add up, and after that this number add down. After that we'll start by this side by ones, or we can say add right. Let's solve together. 5 plus 8, it is 13. 3, 1 regroup. After that we'll this 3 number together, add together. 1 plus 8, it's 9. 9 plus 9, it's 18. 8, 1 regroup. 1 plus 3, it's 4. 4 plus 0, it is 4. 1 plus 3, it's 4, we say that. And 4 plus 0, it is 0. 2 plus 1, it is 3. And example 2, it's about minus. So also from minus, we will write the first number at up and the second number at down. We will start at right, or you can say in ones. If you have break apart, we do that. So 5 minus 8, it's not enough because 5 is less than 8. So you can take 1 for this next digit. It's 8 will be 7, and this 5 will be 15 because we take it 1 tenth. So from there we have 15 minus 8, it's 7. And 7 minus 9, it's not enough. So also we can take break apart. This 3 will be 2, and this 7 will be 70. 70 minus 9, it is 8. And 2 minus 0, it's 2. And 2 minus 1, it is 1. Practice page 21, adding and subtracting numbers. Find the sum or difference, estimate to check. So we'll solve number 2, 3, 4, 5. From number 2, we have 6,370 plus 8,903. So we'll add them. We'll start at right. 7 plus 3, it's 10. 0, 1, it's regroup. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 0, it's also 2. 3 plus 9, it's 12. 2, 1 regroup. 1 plus 8, 1 plus 6, it's 7. 7 plus 8, we say that we keep 7 in mind and 8 in hand. 7 plus 8, it's 15. We don't have any number else to make this one the group, so we write down, we get 15,220. After that, we'll estimate. So from estimate, we will estimate to the first digit, we round to the first digit. The first digit is 6, and the next digit is 3. We put it this line from there. It's less than 5, so you can give any number over this 3. This 6, sorry. This 6, we write same, and this 3 digits we have after 6, we will make 0. And from there, also we write, we will round from first digit, it's 8, and the next digit is 9. 9 is more than 5, so we can increase 1 over this 8, it will be 9, and this last digits we have, we make 0. After that, we'll add them. 0 plus 0, it is 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 9, it is 15. Number 3, we have 12,911 minus 10,260. So let's subtract them. We will start at 1's, or we can say at right. 1 plus 0, 1 minus 0, it is 1. And 1 minus 6, we have 1. You can take 6 from 1, no, because it's 1, 1 less than 6. So we can break apart. Take 1 for this next digit. This next digit, 9, will be 8, and this one will be 11 because we take it tens. So after that, 11 minus 6, 11, we can count back 6 number, or from 6 count to 11. So I can subtract them. 11 minus 6, it's 5, and 8 minus 2, it is 6. After that, 2 minus 0, it is 2, and 1 minus 1, it is 0. So 0 at last, it doesn't have any value, so we don't write it. After that, we round for the first digit to its next digit. It's less than 5, so the first digit will be 1. We don't change anything from this 1. So will be 10,000, and from there also will be 10,000. After that, we subtract them, so the answer will be 0. For estimation, we don't need 0, we need the answer, it is near to this results we have. We will estimate for the next digit. We'll try to estimate next digit. The next digit is 2, and from there we have 0. So this 9, we look at this 9. This 9 is more than 5, so you can give a number over this 2. This 2 will be 3, and this one we write same. After that, we get 13, and this 3 digit will be 0. And from there also we will try to estimate for the second digit, and the third digit is less than 5, so you can increase any number over this 0. This will be 0, and the first digit will write same, and the last digit we make 0. After that, we'll subtract them. 0 minus 0, it is 0. 0 minus 0, it's 0. 0 minus 0, it's 0. 3 minus 0, it is 3. 1 minus 1, it's also 0. We don't write from there. And from there, we have number 4, 11,004 plus 8,986. Let's add, we start at 1 is 4 plus 6, it is 10. 0, 1, it's regroup. 1 plus 0, it's 1, and plus this 8, it's 9. 0 plus 9, it's 9. 1 plus 8, it's 9, and this one, we don't have any number to add with 1. We bring down, we get 90,990. So we can estimate for the first digit. The next digit is 1. It's less than 5, so you can increase any number over this one. This one we write 1, and the last digit we have, we make 0. And from there, we'll estimate for this 8. So this 9, it's more than 5. You can increase 1 over this. 8 will be 9, and the last digits we have will be 0. After that, we will add them. 0 plus 0, it is 0. 0 plus 0, it's 0. 0 plus 0, it's 0. 10 plus 9, it's 90. And so we get 90,000, but from there we have 90,999. So if you find the nearest answer, you can estimate like subtraction. You can estimate for this place, this place. So when you estimate for this 8, for also we can estimate for this place. So from there we will estimate for the 1,000. Also from up we will estimate 2,000 to get nearest answer. So from there we will estimate for this 1. So we look at the next digit, it's 0. So 0 can give n number over this one. This one will be 1, and the first digit we write same. And this last digits we have, we will make 0. And from there, the next digit is 9. And so we can give number over this. This a will be 9, and the last digit will be 0. After that, 0 plus 0, it's 0. 0 plus 0, it's 0. 0 plus 0, it's 0. And 11 plus 9, it's 20. Also, we say that if you write 10, 10 plus 9, it's 19. From number 5, we have 67,411 minus 29,897. Let's subtract them. We will start at this side by ones, or you can say or at right. So 1 minus 7, it's not enough because when it's less than 7, so we can take 1 for the next digit. We take break apart, and this one will be 0, this one will be 11. 11 minus 7, it is 4. 0 minus 9, it's also not enough. We take break apart from this 4. This 4 will be 3, and this 0 will be 10. 10 minus 9, it's 1. And 3 minus 8, it's also not enough. It's also can take from next number. This 7 will be 6, and this 3 will be 13. 13 minus 8, it's 5. And this 6 minus 9, it's also not enough. We take 1 for this 6. This 6 will be 5, and this 6 will be 16 because we take it 10. So 16 minus 9, it's 7. 5 minus 2, it's 3. Let's estimate. For the first digit, the next digit is 7. So more than 5, this 6 will be 7. And this last digit we have, we will be 0. And from there, the first digit is 2, and the next digit is 9. More than 5, so this 2 will be 3. And the last digits we have, we will make 0. After that, we will subtract them. 0 minus 0, it's 0. 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 7 minus 3, it is 4. Lesson 3, round decimals. From this lesson, we learn how you can round decimal numbers. We studied how you can round whole numbers. So we say that from first time, find the place to which you went to round. After that, if the digit to the right is less than 5, round down. If the digit to right it is 5 or greater, round up. So also from decimal number, we will follow this rules we studied about rounding. Okay, and we have this example. It's about decimal number. That means we have point, decimal point. We have 0.4537 to the place of the blue digit. We will round. Okay, so look at the A. From A, 0.4537. So we will estimate, we will round for the blue digits. This blue digit we have. So this blue digit it's in which place? It's we said that any number we have before point it's ones, and after point it is tenths, hundredths, thousands. So it is thousands place. So when you need round to this blue digit, this thousands place, any number we have before this 3, we will write again. We don't change anything of them. We have 0, we write again, and this 4, this point, sorry, and 4 and 5. And when you come to the blue digit, we will stop. We will look at next digit, at right. So if it was 1, 2, 3, 4, that means it's rounding down. You can increase any number over blue digit. But if it was 5 or more than 5, you can increase 1 over this 3. This 3 will be 4. And this last digit, this 0, we don't make 0 because if you do that also, it doesn't have any value. 0 at right from decimal number at last, it doesn't have any value. And from B we have 0.4537 also like A, but from B we will round for this 5, this blue digit. It is from place hundreds because the 0 it's ones, and after point we have tenths and hundredths. So when you round for this place also, we will any number we have before this 5, we write again. Any number and point we have, we write again. 0, we write again, and point, and 4. After that, when you come to this 5, we look at next digit. 3, it's less than 5, so it's you can increase any number over this 5. We said that 1, 2, 3, 4. It's rounding down. We can increase any number over this 5. So this 5 we write again. And this 3, 7, we let it. We don't make 0 because 0 at last from decimal number, it doesn't have any point. And from C, it's also like AB, but from there, we will round for the tenth. The point is after, sorry, the digit is after point, it's tenth. So this 0 and point we write again, and we look at this 5. It's 5, so it's rounding up. 5, we say that if any number is 5 or more than 5, it's 5 rounding up. We can increase 1 over this 4. This 4 will be 5, and this digits we have after, we don't we let it, because the if you make it 0 also, it doesn't have any value. Students, let us solve practice lesson 3, page 22, about round decimal. So we'll solve number 2 until 6. It's about round each numbers to the place of the blue digits. So from there we have 0.783. The 7 is blue digit. It's from 10th place. So we round for the digit. Any number we have before the 7, we write again. So we have 0 and point. Thus we write 0 and point. After that, when you come to this 7, we will stop. We will think we will look at the next digit. So it is 8. 8 is more than 5, so you can increase any number over this 7. This 7 will be 8, and we let this digit we have after the 7. After that, we have 0.256. We round for this 5 because it's blue digit. It is from hundreds place. So any number we have before 5, 0.2, we will write again 0.2. We don't change anything of them. After that, we look at after 5, it's 6. So 6 it's more than 5. You can increase 1 over this 5. This 5 will be 6. So this 5 will be 6. Okay. And number 4, from number 4, we have 0.1732. So they round to this 3. It's from this thousands because it's 10, it's hundred, it's thousands. So any digit we have before 3, we write again, and we look at this after this 3, it's 2, it's less than 5, so you can increase any number over this 3. We write 3 same, and from there we have 0.685, we round for 8, it's blue digit. Any digit we have before this, we will write again, and we look after 8, it's 5. So we see that 5 and more than 5, it is rounding up. We can increase 1 over this 8, this 8 will be 9. And from 6 we have 0.66. This 6 at last, it is um, last digit, so that means we'll round this, it's blue digit, so that means we'll round for this blue digit. We don't have any number next to 6, so that means it's 0. So 0 is less than 5, we can increase any number over this 6. This 6 will be 6. And from number 7 and 10, round 0.6285 to the place named. That means from number 7 we'll round to the 10th, from 8 we round to the hundredths, and from 9 we will round for the thousandths, and from 10 we will round for ones. And from 10th, this 6 it's 10th, we make it a blue digit. Let's round for the 6. Any number we have before 6, it is just 0 point, and we write 0 point. After that, we will look at this digit next 6 at right, it's 2, so it's less than 5. It's rounding down, we can increase any number over 6, we write 6 same, and this last digit we let it. And from there, from hundreds to its hundreds, because after tenths we have hundreds. This is hundreds, so write for a round for this 2. 0.6 it's before 2, you write again, and after 2 we have 8, so we can give number over this 2. This 2 will be 3. And from there to thousands we will round, it's 8 because it's 10, tenths, hundreds, thousands. Any digit we have before 1000, we have 0.62, we write again, and after 8 we have 5, so 5 it's rounding up, we can increase 1 over this 8. This 8 will be 9. And from last we will estimate on, or we can say we will round for the first digit, it's 1, and we look at the chances, the next digit after point. It's 6 more than 5, so you can increase 1 over the 0. This 0 will be 1. That's about rounding. Lesson 4, add and subtract decimals. From this lesson, we learn how you can add and subtract decimal numbers. So from decimal number, we have decimal point. It's important to write decimal point in line when you add or subtract any two numbers together or more number. So from there we have 1.95 plus 0.85. We will write this 1.95 in up and 0.85 in down. So we'll write this decimal point in line. After that, we will add them. We will start at right. We have 5 plus 5, it's 10, 0, 1 regroup. After that, 1 plus 9, it is 10, 10 plus 8, it's 18, 8, 1 regroup. And we have decimal point, we bring down 1 plus 1, it is 9, it's 2, 2 plus 0, it's 2. After that, we will estimate to know our answer, it's true. So we'll estimate for the first digit, 9, we look at the next digit, it's 9, 9, it's over than 5, we can give any we can give number over this one will be 2, and from there we will estimate for the first digit and the second digit it's 8, so 8 it is more than 5, we can give number over this one will be this 0, sorry, this 0 will be 1, and we have 2 plus 1 it is 3, 3 it's near to 2.80. Example 2, it's about subtraction. We have 4.9 minus 2.75. It's important to write decimal points we have in line. So we will write this 4.9 add up and 2.75 add down because 2 it's less than 4. After that, look at there, it's in line. 4 it's 1 and this 2 it's 1 this 9 it is tenths and this that it's tenths. But from place 100 from up we don't have any number, but at under we have 5, so we can put this 0 from there to be easier for subtraction because 0 at last in decimal number it doesn't have any value, so we put 0 from place hundreds. After that we subtract them, we will start at right. 0 minus 5 it is not enough, so you can take break apart. This 9 will be 8 and this 0 will be 10. 10 minus 5 it's 5, and 8 minus 7 it is 1, and we have decimal point we put down. 4 minus 2 it is 2. And let's estimate to check. We will round for the first digit. The first digit is 4 and the next digit is 9. 9 more than 5, so it's rounding up. This 4 will be 5. And from there, the first digit is 2 and the next digit is 7. So 7 it's more than 5. This 2 will be 3. After that, 5 minus 3 it is 2. So the answer is 2.15. Practice about add and subtract decimal numbers in page 27. We'll solve number 2 till 5. Add or subtract it. After that, estimate to check. From number 2, we have 0.3 plus 0.9. Let's add. We'll write at right. We'll start at right, sorry. 3 plus 9 is 12. 2, 1 regroup. And we have decimal point. Please, students, don't forget put down. After put in down, or you can say bring down. After that, 1 plus 0 it is 1, and 1 plus 0 it is 1. And we'll estimate to check. We'll estimate for the first digit. The second digit is 3, it's less than 5, so we can increase a number over the 0. This 0 will be 0, and this second number, the first digit is 0, and the second number is 9, 9 more than 5, so we can increase 1 over the 0. This 0 will be 1. After that, we'll add 0 plus 1, it's 1. From number 3, we have 12.1 plus 9.01. And look at the decimal point in line, and we have 1 over this one. We don't have any number, so we'll put 0 to be easier. From plus, it's not important to put 0, but we put down to be easier for us, to be clear for us. And from there also, we put this 0. After that, we'll add, we'll start at right. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 0. And this decimal point we bring down. 2 plus 9 is 11. 1, 1 is regroup. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 0 is 2. After that, we'll estimate. So we'll estimate for this whole number because from there we'll estimate for 9, and from there also we'll estimate for 2 to get nearest answer. And from there, this under this 2 it's 1. So 1 is less than 5, so you can increase any number over this 2, and this 1 will write again. We get 12. This 12 will write again. So because this one you can increase any number over this one number, so it's 12. We write again, and this is 0. The next number, it also can give number over this 9. This 9 will be 9 also. After that, we'll add 2 plus 9 it's 11. 1 regroup. 1 plus 1 is 2, so it's 21. And from number 4, we have 1.23 minus 0.47, and we have decimal point in line, and the numbers also it's in line. It's one is tens, hundreds. It is subtracted at right. So 3 minus 7, it's not enough because 3 less than 7, so we take break apart. This 2 will be 1, and this 3 became 13. And 13 minus 7, it is 6. And 1 minus 4, it's also not enough. We take 1 for this one will be 0, and this one will be 11. 11 minus 4, it is 7. And we have decimal point, we write, and 0 minus 0, it's 0. We will write from the decimal point the 0, okay? After that, we'll estimate for the first digit. The next digit, it's 2, it's less than 5, so you can give any number over this one. This one will be 1. And from there, the next digit is 4. So also you can give any number over this 0. This 0 will be 0. And 1 minus 0, it is 1. From number 5, we have 10.2 minus 8.6. Look at there, the decimal point is in line, and this it's one is, it's 10 is, it's from there we don't have any digits, so we can put the 0. After that, look at the another side, we have 10 is, tenths, it's also tenths. Hundreds, we don't have any digit for this. So from place hundreds add, and then we have a digit. So from there, we will put 0 to be easier for us. After that, we'll subtract at right. So 0 minus 7, it's not enough. We take break apart. This will be 1. And this 0 will be 10. 10 minus 7, it's 3. And 1 minus 6, it's also not enough. We take 1 for this 10. This 10 will be 9. And this one will be 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. And 9 minus 8 is 1. After that, we'll estimate. Please, students, be carefully, pay attention. Look at there. When you estimate, we don't estimate at the changing number. We'll estimate at base number. We'll estimate for 10.2. Okay, at base number we have. And we have 10.2, we will estimate for whole number. This 2 is less than 5, so we can increase any number over this 10. This 10 will be 10, and this because it's more than 5, we can give number over this 8. This 8 will be 9. Or you can say, because it's subtraction, when you round for the ones or add over, also we round for this ones we have, okay? So the next digit is 2, it's less than 5, so this 0 will be 0, and the first digit we write same. After that, from there we have 6, it's more than 5, so we can give number over this 8 will be 9. After that, we'll subtract them. 10 minus 9, it is 1. And from number 6, we have 23.0.5 minus 2.8. Look at it. When you write decimal point in line, the another digit indirectly will be in line. Look at it. It's one is tenths. And we don't have tens from this side. And from there, we don't have hundreds. We can put the zeros. Also, we can't put it because it's in under. It's not very important. Let's subtract them. We will start at right. 5 minus 0, it's 5. 0 minus 8, it's not enough. We can take break apart. This 3 will be 2. And this 0 will be 10 because we take this 3, 1. And this 3, we take it 1 from this 3 will be 2. After that, this 0 will be 10. 10 minus 8, it's 2. And 2 minus 2, it's 0. 2 minus 0, it's 0. And we have decimal point. We bring down at middle. Please don't forget that. After that, let's estimate to whole number we have, or you can say over this 2, which number we have, we'll estimate for this 3. And from there we have 0, it's less than 5, we can increase any number over this 3. This 3 will write 3, and this 2 also. After that, from there, the next number is 8, so 8 is more than 5. This 2 will be 3 because we can give number over this 2, we can increase number over this 2, so this 2 will be 3. After that, we have sign minus, we subtract them. 3 minus 3, it's 0. 2, we don't have any number to subtract it to, so to bring down, we get 20.